Hi, this is Team 12 and this is our project Automatic Beans.
For our final project, we created an automated plant watering system. We did this by using a soil moisture probe connected to an Arduino and using the Arduino to control a NeoPixel that would serve as the soil moisture indicator with a stoplight system where green was high and red was low. Also connected to an LCD display that would display numerical value. And by connecting a pump to turn on when the soil moisture was low, and then turn off when it was sensed that the moisture was back up at a healthy level. And we powered the whole circuit using the 5-volt pin of the Arduino.
Since we were comfortable with NeoPixels from a previous lab, we started our project by working on coding the NeoPixels and setting up our LCD display. Early on, we also had to decide on thresholds for what we considered a healthy plant's soil moisture to look like. And we hard-coded this into our Arduino code, but looking ahead, we could easily change these numbers, these values, to work with different types of plants. We then connected the soil moisture sensor to the Arduino, and then finally use that data to connect the water pump. And Sophia will now talk about some of the challenges that came with that.
I think that the biggest challenge with this project was probably figuring out the water pump and how to turn it on and off. I think that initially we were going to use a relay, but it ended up we were not able to find one that was affordable and fit our project in the best way. So then we tried out a couple different types of transistors and with a MOSFET, but basically it was just a lot of back and forth and trial and error. So I think that is probably what was the most challenging for us. I think that if we were going to implement more in the future and sort of if we had more time and resources, I think first of all it would be to figure out a better voltage source, as the Arduino only allows 5 volts, and with that we cannot both control the water pump and the display as well as the lights that we had. So I think that would be number one. And then another thing we wanted to do was try to make it more scalable, so it would be easy for a user to keep track of multiple different plants and water different plants at once.
Here's one final video of our project working at the fair. Hopefully, I'll never kill a plant again.